Today we'll learn how you can make this beautiful wall hanging. To do this, you'll need a blue, black, red, yellow, sky blue, and pink sheet of paper, plus glue and scissors. First, cut a small piece from the pink, yellow, sky blue, and the red sheet of paper. Now make 26 red pieces, 20 yellow pieces, 14 sky blue pieces, and 9 pink pieces. Now take the yellow paper and first glue a cardboard or some thick paper behind it, and then start cutting a circle from it. After that, take a pink paper and start rolling it from the edge and make a stick with it. Then make 3 more of them. Then cut a piece of pink paper and fold it like me, and then, take the scissor and make a flower as shown in the video. Now do the same with the blue paper, but make it a little smaller, then with a dark pink paper but a bit more smaller, and then the same with a black paper. After making the flowers, it's time to glue them on top of each other. Now make another flower with a little different edges. You can do that by cutting the edges differently. Now take the sticks you've made earlier, and attach 2 of them together. Then glue them on the circle. After that, take the red ribbons and glue them on the circle. And then glue the edges of the ribbons together. Now do the same with the yellow ribbons. Then the blue ribbons. And in the end, do the pink ones. Now take a flower and glue it in the middle of the shape. And then take another flower and glue it on the tip of the sticks. And congratulations, you have successfully made this beautiful wall hanging. Now remember, you can choose the size and color of the papers as long as you get the fundamentals of the wall hanging. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to this channel. Share it with your friends, and just like this. I'll see you in the next video.